Sage Intacct is the number one solution in the marketplace for nonprofits, period. End of story. The biggest reason for that is for the grant tracking and billing module. And this is really is a full grant management module. And where this really supports accountants is that historically accountants have really relied on Excel to manage grant reporting and to submit reimbursable expense invoices to the grant to get those reimbursements. When it comes to how the grant management module within Intact works, it is a module that brings together the invoicing, advanced invoicing capability with time and expense and purchasing, so advanced AP, into a solution that really drives the entire financial grant management process, coupled with things like dynamic allocations, which creates variable allocation methodologies for organizations. You're talking about really being able to take a manual process, historically manual process, and deliver this to nonprofits in a very efficient way. So what we see is that accountants now have this opportunity to have value-based services around the grant management without having to increase the costs dramatically to their clients, the nonprofits, and therefore allowing more money to flow back into the mission specific solutions that those nonprofits are looking for, really being a value to both sides of the house. And when we look at it, there is a whole SKU within Intact that is specific to nonprofits, nonprofit spend management, the grant tracking and billing, nonprofit fixed assets. All of these things are really, really impactful to the management of a 3 or a 501(c)(6). Couple that with the predefined templates that we have for associations and social services and healthcare nonprofits, and all of a sudden, out of the gate, we have a solution that elevates organizations through their utilization or through their partnership with accounting firms.